Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me behind the camera is my husband Marcel. So this evening we are in Trelawny in a place called Blind Lane, and we were called to visit a lady by the name of Paulette. So we're going to take the journey down now, and once we reach, then we'll talk about the situation as it is. So please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. All right, so let's take that journey right now. So we are going down, and we don't know exactly where we are going. We're just told to walk at this shortcut and come down. So that's what we are doing right now.
Well, that's two road.
And it's two. See what?
Make the right turn.
Huh? Right here, so you're sure?
Yeah, right.
All right. We're going to go here and see. Okay. It's kind of muddy, Marcel. It just rain. And Spirit said to me, we're in the wrong shoes, and I was just pulling on just the same way. And see? I think we're at the wrong part. I don't see nobody over here, so.
But that's a look quiet.
Yeah, I think we. Let me see.
You're nice, though.
But it may be over the other side. Let me see though. Oh, it sounds like down here, so. I don't know if we're at the right. It looks so natural.
Yeah.
I hear so?
Yeah, right, that's one.
How we say we lost?
No, I right, that's one, man. I right, that's one.
All right, you go and we follow you.
Come.
What is your name?
Hey, my name Nigel.
Nigel.
Yeah, Nigel, that's one, man.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, come.
All right, we'll follow you.
That's one, man. Take a look at that.
Yeah, man, all right.
Yeah, that's one, man. Yeah.
Slippery, no, Marcel? Hold on, wait there. Good. Marcel, hold my hand there. Let me see. Where the good spot there? I think it's all mud here. Let me hold.
Take time, walk, ladies.
All right, good.
Take time.
Don't hold me now.
Me hold you.
Take time, come now.
All right, go on.
Hello. Good afternoon. Lord of mercy.
Old man, man, you know?
Yes, man.
Boy.
Yeah, you know what job, man, old man.
No, come here, sir.
Yeah.
Come here, sir.
You got there, so.
Yeah, come here, sir. Yeah.
No, sir. Woohoo! You go ahead of me and me follow you.
Come. Yeah, take it. Take your time, baby.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, come.
Excuse me.
All right.
Sir.
All right, sir. All right, thank you.
You're most welcome.
All right. Hello.
Take it. No, take your time. Take it.
Oops. Down here, slippery, man.
Every time, man, Mr. Zelly and his wife, man, lovely every time, man. We have
Yeah.
a program.
Oh, make me walk over the stone.
Trelawny war stuff, you know. Because enough people not believe in our so big up on ourselves every time, and we see the work on our put in how much people now.
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
All right, good, thanks. Yeah.
Lighting, man. Big up the gully, man. Big up the gully, man.
So,
Yeah, man, I look like it.
Yeah, man, Likkle friend, man. My son on him birthday.
What going? Are you a cook?
Yeah, man,
Yeah, man. Yes.
And talk to you.
So, Zelly, pick up yourself, man.
Yeah, Gaza.
All right.
Move forward.
Woo!
Yeah.
All right. All right, Miss Paulette, good evening. How are you?
Sometimes I have a pain around the body, and sometimes my foot swell. But we have medication I take now.
You're on medication?
Yeah, yes, miss.
Okay, and you're unable to walk?
No, I no walk no time at all.
Oh, okay. So,
But me wash also, you know. Sit down.
I've been here from 2005 and
you've been here from 2005 and she has not been walking since?
And before I come here, she couldn't walk.
She couldn't walk. So who are you?
Me used to walk first.
Hold on, Miss Paulette, just a second.
I'm like my son's best friend.
Oh, you're a best friend?
Yeah.
Oh, of her son?
Yeah.
Okay, so since from 2005 you come here and she wasn't walking that time?
No.
Okay. Yeah. So what happened to you that you know, that caused you not to be able to walk?
I beat me get miss.
Oh, you get beaten?
Cause my husband miss.
Oh. And as a result of that, you're not...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. He's deceased?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One lady, I don't know if you know her still, Miss Brown, him live by way of time, used to carry me go doctor, Mandeville, Christian doctor. Yeah.
Okay. So you still go to the doctor?
Yep, them come here, come check me.
Oh, them come and carry you to the doctor?
Oh, yes, miss. And yeah.
Oh, all right. So what is life like on a daily basis? What are the struggles that you face?
Me not feel no pain again, miss.
You not feel any pain anymore?
No, so me I get the tablet.
Oh, the medication is working?
Yes.
Okay.
And then give me pressure tablet too.
Okay.
Yeah, just me last son, that one that's 16 and have sugar.
Oh, your son?
Yeah.
What is your name?
Yeah.
Oh, so Andre has sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And the young lady on the bed is your daughter?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Oh, how old is she?
Around 25-year-old.
She's 25?
Yeah, 25.
Oh.
I 18 in March in born, miss.
Okay.
And the one born in 9
Okay.
August.
Oh, so what is the condition that she has?
You mean?
She's sick, right?
Yeah.
Right, that's what I'm asking.
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Yeah,
Can't help herself.
Can't
All right, just a
listen.
second. You want to say something? All right, so you're her grandson.
Yeah.
All right, what do you want to say?
There's Winsome.
in some Griffiths.
Yeah, she's like bedridden. Yeah, she can't walk, she can't move, nothing.
Oh, okay.
My grandma is here to assist her.
Yeah.
Native can assist herself. Yeah, that's my uncle right there. Andre Griffiths. He native can barely help himself. Yeah, because he got his sugar and he's sick also.
He's mental sick.
He's mentally ill.
Yeah.
Oh, so he goes to the clinic to get the medication and so.
Injection, all those stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get all these medication, all those stuff.
Oh.
But my grandma cannot, I don't know.
So it's your grandmother who would be responsible for Andre and Winsome?
Every one of us.
Of course.
Every one of us.
Yes? So who lives here? Because you said that you live in Kingston.
I got bigger brother is outside. But
But
you know,
he's mentally ill also.
The brother who is outside is mentally ill as well? How many children in all?
10.
10 in all.
Yes.
You got Linval Griffiths. You got Andre.
Lindbergh.
You got Andre Griffiths. You got Linda Griffiths. You got Winsome Griffiths.
Nigel
You got
Griffiths.
Nigel Griffiths. And you got Wayne, but different.
Yes.
And you
We're not
got
different. We're Merrick. Merrick a different father.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Griffiths. Paulette.
Yeah.
I'm with sick here. And this one Linval.
Oh, so Paulette is your mom.
Yeah.
Out there,
This is my daddy.
Jessica.
He's your father.
We can
my twins need, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one Linval. Out there for your ears. But my mommy want to help my brothers and with my sons. And my friends.
Yeah. Because most thing which she is like medication sometimes.
Yeah. And
And I will help because she had to move around.
Yeah.
Medication and I push the one sometimes.
So medication would be our need and food.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I don't cut, repeat, but my mommy used to help everybody.
Yes, help
The
everybody.
wives of Trelawny.
Yeah.
Wash them clothes.
Yeah. All we
She used to do
grass.
domestic work.
She's sick
Yeah.
now.
Okay, I don't want everybody talking at the same time, you know.
Oh, yes.
So who's
true.
talking now?
my mom.
All right. So you're talking. Yes.
My mommy, born and grown in Trelawny. My father passed away, like Griffiths. And my mother helped a lot people in Trelawny.
Yes.
So what I do come in, I appreciate it.
Right.
Enough one, look at my mother at the rest. But my sons, is in birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
They're always
Yes.
there on
Yes.
you.
Yes.
And JJ,
Yes, who is your friend?
Yeah,
My friends.
yeah, man.
My friends.
I was their own, no?
Yeah.
I was their own.
Yeah.
The three of us.
Okay.
Always.
Yeah, I was their own.
I gotta take care of them now.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
And appreciate
no matter what
this
circumstances.
gentleman. You know, you remember me now. I know him.
You know him?
Yes, and he said, no, me pick my son.
Yes.
Them and Wayne.
We are reach out to the Likkle Elephant, Grandma Senior.
Miss Paulette.
Yeah.
Medication
Paulette Griffiths.
and
Yeah.
I look for food sometime. Because things can happen with Celestine as a young person. You understand? So she, she serious, she can't even move. You understand?
All right. So what kind of food does she eat?
She got pressures. Especially, you know. We got
Oh yeah, food that are not so salty.
Yeah.
That's why
And she says she's not feeling any pain anymore because of the medication.
Yeah.
But so she goes to the clinic to get medication as
Yeah,
well?
then come
She
here.
used to go to the clinic, but so she
Nurses got
cannot
care.
really move around.
Yeah.
And me not really there. That's why I can push him around.
Doctor
My
come
brothers
here.
them
Yeah.
pick up and go into red.
Yeah.
But them come in and she get her medication.
Okay. All right. So Miss Paulette, you're saying that the doctor come to you?
Oh, yes, miss.
Or they still do come to you from the
yes,
clinic?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So when you say, because you were saying earlier that you would need help with medication, which one of the medication would she need help with?
The pressure, the more.
Pressure tablet.
So she don't get that at the clinic?
It done, it finished, you know.
Finish now.
It finished.
So when it finished and she goes back to the clinic, does she get it?
Yeah.
Oh, so she would need help with medication because she gets it free from the clinic.
Okay. Yes,
Right.
from the clinic.
Yeah.
Right. So it's the food that would be
Yes,
the need.
yeah.
Right.
Yes, like food kind of so. Yeah.
So what happened to all, let me ask, what happened to, because you said she has 10 children, you're not in touch with one, so what happened to the rest? Because I see you here and, well,
Some of them die.
some of them pass away.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yes, Mr. Hutchinson.
Many of them are, as I said before, they are like mentally disabled.
They're mentally ill.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so Miss Paulette, you were explaining to us that is you wash your clothes and
Yeah, man,
is
yeah.
Andre?
Yeah.
Andre and Winsome?
Yeah, man, I'm wash my clothes. Me still chung, you know, Miss Michelle. Yeah, man, I'm just walking and I can't move and
Just
so.
because you can, but you do everything.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
I
so-
mean, somebody time pressure lick me down doing no, Miss Michelle. But you see, like how me I take the tablet now. You help me good, me I tell you.
Okay,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Wow. So the need is great, Mr. Hutchinson. So as a result of that, you're not, because you did mention that some of the children are mentally ill. One is deceased. So even if you're able to find food sometimes, then sometimes you can't find it.
Oh, true.
because of the work.
Okay.
You know, gotta wait and not pay. So.
Yeah.
And I
Okay.
got 2 kids also.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So what about the care for Winsome now? She has to go to the doctor as well?
No, then come check her.
They come and check her?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pampers and
she wear Pampers?
Yeah.
she wear pampers.
Oh,
So, Miss Michelle, you can't get some pampers to me, miss. If you can't get some pampers.
Pampers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because so Winsome is not able to move around on her own.
No.
You have to move her.
Yeah.
Is she able to talk?
I'm look at her, you know. I'm put on in. Yes, I'm look at her.
Are you take care of her, Miss
Yeah,
Paulette?
yes. One lady used to take care of her, you know. I see her name guitar. I don't know that the lady name Miss Brown. Miss Brown.
Your grandma would really in need of a helper.
Oh. Okay. So the wheelchair is for who?
To win
For
some.
Winsome.
Yeah.
Also, Miss Paulette, you don't have no wheelchair.
No.
So you
If she gotta go up there, we gotta lift her.
okay? So you get around in the house?
Yes, because I see me some panicking.
Oh, you just sit right there.
Yeah, I may move. Yes, I take time. I move so. No, man, I may wash.
Straight like me.
But make her bend down like that. But me wash all fine, Miss Michelle. Yeah, man, me wash my clothes.
Okay.
I used to sometimes now if your house
Yes.
dirty, you know, me still want wipe your house, said me too.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And my son them help me spread up my bed.
Oh, your son them help you spread the bed and
Yeah,
so
man.
on, and they help to move you and carry up the road if you need to go up.
Yeah.
Okay.
But true, like now, the doctor come here come check me now, they no carry me up the road. You know? Yeah.
Okay.
They buy all the food, give me too.
Yeah.
The man, they need, same like how my friend that said that we need some food kind. Yeah. Me know it's we set up, my man.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, so me would like to help. Get the food kind. Some pampers for the little girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, man, some food kind I don't need.
Okay.
But me need it.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Wanted it. Me glad for your help. I'm glad for son too.
All right.
Yeah, man, I'm glad very much. And thank you very much. It's nice.
Yes.
What is your name?
Marcel.
Oh, Marcel. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So Miss Paulette, because the gentleman who called us, he did not explain, what the situation is. He just said that, he's at a house and he's doing some cooking and there's a need. So we never had a conversation. We didn't know that it was food that you needed and so on. So it's only when we come now and you're now explaining to us.
Yeah, man. Want some food kind?
Yes.
Yeah. And sugar also.
All right.
Yes, all rice.
Okay,
Yes.
sugar rice.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
So it's you cook, Miss Paulette?
Sometimes I make up on the fire. I used to say that.
Sometimes I make up on fire. So who cook for you otherwise?
Yeah,
though?
man, my son them cook for me.
They cook?
Yes, and this the last boy, brother Remian too.
Okay.
The man them and I used to too.
Yes.
Go help me.
Oh, so
Yeah,
they
man.
help you?
Yes, they help
Oh,
me, man.
wonderful.
When you can,
Yes, they help
Yeah.
when you can. But like you say, it's
But
not.
true,
It's
my
just that
figure
some-
work, you know.
Sometimes
I know every time
Yes.
for my figure and work.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay,
that's true, man.
All right. So,
Yeah.
Miss Paulette, if you get a wheelchair, would that work out for you?
Yeah, man. I would have glad. I would have thanked you very much. I would have going. That much, man.
freely.
Yes,
Yeah.
because for her to be there and then now she can't move,
Yeah.
Because when I saw the wheelchair, I thought it was for her. But now she's saying it's for Winsome.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Miss Paulette. We'll
All
see.
right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much.
All right, guys. So you
Yeah.
heard our story, and if there's any way that you're able to assist,
Oh yes. All
please
right.
reach out to us at 876-512-4055.
Oh, yeah.
All right, and we'll be able to do what we
yes.
can as well, Miss Paulette.
Oh yes.
All
man.
right.
To tell me see you when you carry
When you
something.
see me again,
Oh,
when you
yes.
see us again,
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
I go bring it from Miss.
it's where we are gonna come back.
Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. That's
All
true,
right,
man.
then.
All right.
Okay, good.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Gaza, me think you're there foreign.
No,
guys
we
are-
go and come, Jelly, how is everything, sir? Big up on yourself, like,
Yeah, man.
listen me. I don't see everything,
Yeah,
And no matter what, we give thanks to freedom and happiness every time, and blessing and health.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So,
So-
can say agree, he say he respect Ronaldo.
yeah.
You man, he respect it because
Thank you. Yeah,
and what if I respect her appreciate. I hope so she get the help she need.
yeah.
I found a thing like
Because you see, but because
politician not do it for it. No JP, no PMP, no Liberate, no come around. None of them. No MP, no councillor. As me say, respect for Ronaldo, man. And Miss Paulette's son, respect Ronaldo with everybody, not just his mother. Because now PMP and no Liberate now come around and do it. The councillor them and the MP them now come do it. The people like I look like everything. We are doing it for everybody. You see me, I'm on the top Trelawny channel, so we need the support and we need the representation. We thank you very much. God bless you every time here.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. And like I say, you think me there foreign? Yeah, see you when
Right here.
Yes.
Right here. Big up on yourself.
yeah, man. Thank you, Chef.
Stammer. Original stammer, yeah?
Oh, far cousin.
My cousin.
No.
I think I him say far cousin.
Stammer.
Oh, Fargo cousin. Oh, yes, we get it now.
You guys stutter, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so I just a cook today because Mr. Hutch, me don't know his first name because he said name Mr.
Yes,
Hutchinson.
Mr. Hutchinson.
So him,
The man say right now,
Sound Hutchinson.
him mother that dance and
Yeah.
We don't know what he do.
Naturally.
You see mother move.
Yeah.
You know, and that is a great performance.
Yeah.
Because means say, you know, she happy in her mind.
Yes, yes.
I like it for many years.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's my movie rock.
And
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she rocked today.
Yeah, man. She rock to them, man.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
company.
Oh, so say.
No, because you know some people kind of, you know,
take your time.
kind of.
Thank you.
Out the road, no better than prison.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Your heart I me realize.
I can't get this fried chicken if you don't want it.
Yes.
Me fried chicken also.
Okay, alright.
Like that.
Mr. Zelly,
Yeah.
pound chicken, Mr. Zelly.
Yes, sir.
This is no full chicken. KFC bar like this.
Talk show.
KFC no bad like that.
No, Stone, never.
No about 5 p.m. Center plate there, man.
Plate, give him to the here.
Center plate there,
Look at
bro.
I was with our wife. Give him one plate.
Tio.
Stone, get on different one.
You have different plates, man.
I go first.
Yeah, man. Trust me, man. You see, I will have a party from them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Real friends on day one, man.
Classmate.
I'm going to catch up. I say, boy, I'm boss, yes, sir.
Just catch up, guys.
May I say, do what you can. As you drop this away, they may share it to me, wife.
Yeah, and jump.
Wait, share it. Yeah?
Wait.
Chop, we are sharing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that better.
Go.
You drink soup, my young girl.
Man, a drop.
No, we not.
Although you might drink soup, my young girl love you.
Yeah, man. I will eat one.
Yes, man. The chef them active, could tell me true.
KFC, that take out the card,
Long time. long time I put in coloring on it.
KFC, I said color and looks.
Oh God, could it? Sure. Take a time, chef. That is it. We are here to listen to that chef.
Gaza.
Likkle everything, you know? Yeah, man.
Remember last time
When you go on YouTube, go look for that channel there. See the pan and shirt.
Likkle everything Jamaican.
Subscribe.
Yes,
Them
man.
subscribe.
Likkle everything, man.
Yeah, man, a good people, let me
Yes,
say, man.
man.
A whole heap of people who watch them help. Me can testify to that. You see it. But the American sometimes, me notification, once you subscribe, I hit the notification bell. Anytime then Jack will come.
And they are fun, they're not eating, but I'm going to eat that chicken.
Yeah.
The camera right now.
Look
Eat
at
the
the chicken.
subscribe, man.
Eat the chicken. I'm gonna drink soup.
Drink it, man.
Help yourself, man.
Help yourself. And look at
You wanna come next cup of soup, sir?
chicken.
Okay.
Good one. But my channel name is the Hotspot channel. It's still active. Me still have access to my channel. We just not to put out none because of TikTok. You know, TikTok jumping. You know, so we have a TikTok little bit, but me still have my YouTube channel. The Hotspot channel is still active. Bro, man, as you tell us on my channel. So big up on yourself, see you, man. Every time. Yeah, man. And you know, me there see him with Jamaica, my country, my yard. Oh, me check it out, lad. No better than yeah. No better than yeah.
Bone, my eat.
Right, the bone, right? I want to get to me channel. You go on sit now cook to blow. I don't know. I cooking. Me take care of my expert and I cook spot channel.
Cook spot.
Yeah, man. I'm here cooking. Go up on the picture. Some see to see.
This story.
Yeah. Yeah, I see if I get something. Get out.
Pushy me.
Wow, what's happening? More fire on that, somebody. Miss
150 for the cup there. No disrespect.
Once you get this up,
Yeah. I just tell Miss Paulette.
once you watch that video, me go over here. Once you roll up on the camera, man, see. Yo.
God.
Once you know watch the Likkle of everything, and you need help, you no guarantee you not get help. But all me know, me sure about, I've seen it over and over. Me even if you can testify, but me not brother, right truth. Yeah, that is it. Yeah man. Big up on yourself. Yeah, Likkle everything channel. I see that. Okay, Friday bone.
Oh my God.
You can cook.
Daddy love YouTube.
Okay.
YouTube.
And Likkle everything.
It's good for everything.
And Likkle everything is good for everything. What do you say? Likkle what?
Everything.
Everything.
Good for everything.
That is it.
All right, guys.
Still, it's the beauty of the gel. Standing still. Yeah. That's what I've been learning so before.
All I help when I get to out the whole community of Trelawny. Subscribe. You know what help?
I will subscribe.
That is it, right here.
All right, guys, there you have it. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle everything in Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
I'll be there, don't worry.
All right.
Nico, hello, how are you there?